must be the Anguilla Golf Course. Marianne Woods, you getting excited yet? I want to say this is Catchings Road, but I'm not sure. I was on this road about 2 weeks ago. Helena may have had as many as 3 mounds in the past. The remaining mound is 26 feet high, but its original dimensions were even more impressive. Roughly 10 feet of mound fill was removed around 1900 prior to the construction of the Colonial Revival home, now located on its summit, and flood deposits have likely buried several more feet at the base. Native Americans built the mound by alternating layers of clay and sand during the Mississippi period, AD 1200 to 1600. And then it says, this is on private property. Please view the site from the pull-off area. No trespassing. I'm sorry I didn't see that. Mont Helena is a beautiful house sitting on top of an Indian mound built in 1895. The people of Sharkey County dress up in costumes every year and put on a play inside the house explaining the history of the people and the house. I've never been on, ever. Thank you, Jimmy Wingo. So this ought to bring us out at around Grace, Mississippi, and then I'll take Highway 1 back to Greenville. So I started out this morning at 8 o'clock with a full tank of gas. And I've used about half the tank. I think I've gone around 200 miles today. I started off in Greenville. I went to Greenwood, Chula, Lexington, back to Chula, Yazoo City, Louise, Rolling Fork, Mont Helena, and now I'm headed back to Greenville. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. If you like it, please hit that like button. The more likes my videos get, the more time that YouTube's going to show them. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a nice weekend, and we will see you next video.